Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you cycling enthusiasts out there. We're taking a closer look at the Good 4 Bike Rack Hitch-Mount Rack, a heavy-duty solution for transporting your bikes with ease. Stick around, because this is the best 4-bike hitch rack you'll find. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews. Now, let's talk about the Good 4 Bike Rack Hitch-Mount Rack. This rugged rack is designed to carry up to 4 bikes, making it perfect for family outings, group rides, or solo adventures with all your favorite bicycles. Here are some standout features of this fantastic bike rack. The Good Bike Rack is built to last with alloy steel construction. It can handle a maximum load of 140 pounds, ensuring it can carry even the heaviest bikes. The UV-resistant tie-down cradles and straps are designed to accommodate a wide range of bike sizes and designs while keeping them secure during transport. The 16.5 folding arm design allows for easy storage when not in use, saving you valuable space in your garage. You can access your vehicle's rear gate easily, even with the bikes loaded, thanks to the tilt-away main mast. It's a convenient feature that adds to the rack's functionality. This rack can carry just about any bike, thanks to its solid and anti-rust injection molding arm and leg. It accommodates various bicycle frame designs, but keep in mind that bikes with slanted top tubes may require a tube top adapter. Now, let's talk size. The Good 4 Bike Rack Hitch-Mount Rack measures 26 by 14 by 3.5 inches, providing ample space for your bikes without compromising on stability. Assembling and installing this rack is a breeze. It's compatible with 2-inch hitch receivers, and the quick-release design ensures a hassle-free setup. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have it ready to roll in no time. So, there you have it, folks. The Good 4 Bike Rack Hitch-Mount Rack is the best 4-bike hitch rack on the market, offering exceptional value and performance. Whether you're planning a weekend adventure or a family road trip, this rack has got your bikes covered. If you've used this bike rack or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. That's a wrap for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you in the next video.